ഹായ് ഫ്രണ്ട്സ്, വെൽക്കം ബാക്ക് ടു എജു സ്റ്റുഡിയോ. എജു സ്റ്റുഡിയോയുടെ പുതിയൊരു അധ്യായത്തിലേക്ക് ഏവർക്കും സ്വാഗതം. കേരള ഹയർ സെക്കൻഡറി അധ്യാപക യോഗ്യതാ പരീക്ഷയായ സ്റ്റേറ്റ് എലിജിബിലിറ്റി ടെസ്റ്റ് അഥവാ സെറ്റ് പ്രീവിയസ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ സീരീസിൽ ഇന്ന് ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്യുന്നത് എക്കണോമിക്സ് പാർട്ട് 1. നമുക്ക് ചോദ്യങ്ങളിലേക്ക് കടക്കാം. ഫസ്റ്റ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ. അക്കോർഡിംഗ് ടു ദ സെക്കൻഡ് ലോ ഓഫ് H.H. Goshen, the condition for consumer equilibrium is A. Mux by Px is equal to Muy by Py, B. Mux by Muy is equal to Px by Py, C. Mux by Px greater than Muy by Py, D. Both A and B are correct. Answer is D. Second question. Suppose Mr. X has 6 rupees at his disposal and he wants to spend on apple and mangoes in order to obtain maximum utility. Which of the following combination will bring him maximum utility? Please look at the table. Option A, 1 rupee on apple and 5 rupee on mangoes. B, 3 rupee on apple and 3 rupee on mangoes. C, 4 rupee on apple and 2 rupee on mangoes. D, 5 rupee on apple and 1 rupee on mango. Answer option C, 4 rupee on apple and 2 rupee on mangoes. Next question. Considering the above table, which of the following two combinations give the same total utility? Option A, 3 rupees each on apples and mangoes and 5 rupee on apples and 1 rupee on mango. B, 1 rupee on apple and 5 rupee on mangoes and 5 rupee on apple and 1 rupee on mango. C, 4 rupee on apple and 2 rupee on mangoes and 5 rupee on apple and 1 rupee on mango. D, 4 rupee on apple and 2 rupee on mangoes and 3 rupee each on apples and mangoes. Answer option A. Question 4. Let us suppose that the base year price index is for 2014 is 100. In the year 2018, national product at current price was 15,000 crore and the price index was 120. National product at constant price in the year 2018 would be A, 12,500 crore, B, 10,000 crore, C, 15,000 crores and D, 18,000 crore. Answer option A, 12,500 crore. Question 5. If the Keynesian consumption is C is equal to A plus BY, autonomous consumption is 50, MPC is 0.5 and the increased income is 200. Find out the total consumption. Option A 100, B 150, C 200, D 300. Answer B 150. Question 6. Which of the following variable is termed as solo residual in the Cobb-Douglas production function? Q is equal to A L raised to alpha K raised to beta. Option A beta, B alpha, C A D K. Answer option C A. Question 7. Government of India in its economic survey tabled in July 2019 envisaged an ambitious plan to transform Indian economy into a 5 trillion economy by 2024-25, for which India needs a sustained real GDP growth rate of option A 5%, B 5.6%, C 7%, D 8%. Answer option D, 8%. Question 8. Which of the following 5-year plan targeted the twin objectives of removal of poverty and economic self-reliance? A. First, B. Third, C. Fourth, D. Fifth. Correct answer option D, fifth. Question 9. Which of the following is true about the comparative cost doctrine of David Ricardo? 1. Nations should specialize in the production of those commodities in which they have comparative cost advantage. 2. Nations should import the commodity in which absolute disadvantage is greater. 3. Nations should import those commodities in which they have comparative disadvantage. 4. Nations should import those commodities in which absolute disadvantage is less. Option A, 1 alone is correct. B, 1 and 2 are correct. C, 1, 2 and 3 are correct. D, 3 and 4 are correct. Correct answer is option C. Question 10. If a nation faces constant cost or MRT, the shape of its production possibility curve should be option A, concave to the origin, B, convex to the origin, C, a negatively sloped straight line, D, either A or B. Answer C, a negatively sloped straight line. Question 11. In a data table, row heading is designed as A, caption, B, step, C, head note, D, subhead. Answer option B, step. Question 12. Which of the following is an example of average of the second order? 1. Mean deviation, 2. Arithmetic mean, 3. Standard deviation, 4. Median. Option A, 1 alone is correct. B, 1 and 2 are correct. C, 1 and 3 are correct. D, 1, 2, 3 and 4 are correct. Answer option C. Question 13. For goods that are unrelated in consumption, efficiency requires that tax rates be inversely proportional to elasticities. This definition best explains A, the Ramsey rule, B, Laffer curve, C, Bayes rule, D, Musgrave hypothesis. Correct answer option C, Bayes rule. Question number 14. Money is a temporary abode of purchasing power. This definition comes under A, conventional approach, B, Friedman's Chicago approach, C, Gurley and Shaw approach, D, central bank approach. Answer option B, Friedman's Chicago approach. Question 15. Which of the following is true about M2 as a measure of money supply? 1. M2 is equal to currency held by the public plus net demand deposits of bank plus other deposits of the RBI plus savings deposits with post office savings bank. 2. M2 is equal to M1 plus savings deposits with post office savings bank. 3. M2 is equal to M1 plus net time deposits of banks. 4. M2 is equal to M1 plus currency held by the public. Option A, 1 alone is correct. B, 1 and 2 are correct. C, 2 and 3 are correct. D, 1, 2, 3 and 4 are correct. Answer option B. Question 16. Which one of the following is a non-marketable financial asset? A. NSE, B. Bonds, C. Shares, D. Equities. Correct answer option A. NSC. 17th question. Two financial assets dealt in ISLM model are A. Bonds and equities, B. Shares and equities, C. Debentures and bonds, D. Bonds and money. Correct answer option D. Bond and money. 18th question. In the solo growth model, steady state exists when option A. Investment and depreciation rate are equal, B. Rate of growth of investment is greater than rate of growth of depreciation, C. Rate of growth of depreciation is greater than rate of growth of investment, D. Depreciation per worker is 0. Correct answer option A. 19th question. In the Arthur-Lewis model, the capitalist surplus arises due to the fact that in the capitalist sector marginal productivity of labor is option A higher than subsistence wage, B equal to subsistence wage, C higher than capitalist wage, D less than efficiency wage. Correct answer option C. Question number 20. In India, core inflation denotes option A. Inflation rate with food and fuel, B. Inflation rate without food items, C. Inflation rate without food and fuels, D. Inflation without food and beverages. Correct answer option C. Inflation rate without food and fuels. Questions to be continued in next video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.